Welcome to my garden, to the GinGee GoodEarth show. I have just finished the second recipe that I wanted to share with you. The asparagus and leek galette. And it is from Ferguson and Tanis They Adore. A freeform pie, the simplicity, impressive results. And it's very well received. And the ingredients are basically, I used canned asparagus, but first in a skillet, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, which that's what I used, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I diced the leeks, and I had 3 bunches of leeks, and then I added 2 cans of pre-cut asparagus, and I basically put that on the stove top, and I cooked for 4 minutes until tender. Then in a blender, I also seasoned it with salt and black pepper, kosher salt. And then in a blender, I used a whole jar of crema fraiche and 8 ounces of feta crumbled cheese, the juice of 1 lemon and the zest of 1 lemon, and then I added a potpourri of pope garni herbs, which had tarragon in it as the main ingredient. And then again I seasoned it with kosher salt and black pepper, and then I basically bought pre-made pie dough, and I lined the platters with the pie dough, the baking dish, and I added the feta crema fraiche mixture on the bottom, and then I added the mixture of leeks and asparagus, and I basically pinched the edges of the dough, and I added the edges with the egg wash, which is basically an egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of water, and I pinched the edges, and then I added, so I brushed it, and then I added the sesame seeds on top, and it's going to go in the oven for 45 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes at the temperature of 400. And so that is the finished recipe of the J.C. Tyler Ferguson cookbook for the modern family. And then tonight I'm going to show you how to set a Valentine dinner table, and then I'll serve this meal for dinner. So it's going in the oven now. I know it's going to be delicious. And have a great day. I hope you enjoy the recipe. I'll take a picture of the recipe so you could see. Let's see. One more picture. Oh yeah, the cheese on top, I put an extra piece of sharp Crackle Barrel cheese on the top, extra sharp. See, there's a picture of him making it right there on the dough. It's very easy, and it's going to be great tasting too. Okay, here it is. Whoops, that's not it. Here it is. I just want to take a picture of it. so that you can see what's in it. Asparagus and leek, galette. So we'll just get a nice close shot. So you start off with the crust, making a homemade crust, and then you make your filling and your assembly, and then you get ready to bake. And again, tonight we'll show the final outcome of this wonderful dinner dish. We'll see you shortly. Have a great afternoon.